Let's talk about steroids, because I think a lot of people get unfairly up in arms about steroids because they don't really fully understand what they are. Like, yes, steroids can be bad for you in large amounts, but that is the same with literally anything. Steroids have their functions in your bodies, and that's like, they are important for lots of things. They're not just steroids are bad. So, like, specifically cholesterol, that is a steroid, and yes, it can cause a ton of problems in your body, especially in excessive amounts, but cholesterol in and of itself is not bad for you if it's at the proper levels. So what cholesterol does, it is a steroid in your body, obviously, because that's what we're talking about, but it specifically works to control the fluidity of your cell membranes. So your cell membranes are mostly phospholipids as well as protein transporters and cholesterol. The more cholesterol you have, the less fluid your cell membranes are. And your cell membranes need different fluidities and they need to be controlled. And so that's what cholesterol does. And yes, if you have a ton of excess cholesterol, it can build up and form plaques in your veins, and that can cause your veins hardening, or blood vessels, I guess, not specifically veins. And that can lead to heart attacks, but only in excess amounts. Having cholesterol is good for you, just not too much cholesterol. And more steroids include hormones like testosterone. And what hormones are is they're literally just signaling molecules. They tell your body that this is what's happening, this is what needs to be done about it. That's all hormones do, like specifically signaling hormones. Again, too many hormones can be bad for you because they're telling your body to do things when it doesn't specifically need to be doing that thing, which uses energy and causes problems. But again, at normal levels, hormones are not bad for you. And people naturally have different levels of hormones like estrogen and testosterone. Just because you have slightly more testosterone than average doesn't mean it's bad. It just means that you naturally produce more testosterone or estrogen or any of that. So people, whenever you mention steroids and hormones, people have this like knee-jerk reaction being like, oh, those things are bad for you, but not inherently. Just like with most things, they're only bad in excess. This is not me telling you, go take steroid drugs, it's fine. It's just saying that they're not inherently bad. Like with basically everything in biology.